Hello everyone, in front of me is Hammerblade 3 and let me show you how to use secret codes on this phone. So at first open your phone dialer, go to keypad and we'll be entering codes over here. So let's start with the first one, which is asterisk pound 4636 pound asterisk. And here you've got the tester menu where you can find phone information, user statistics, and also Wi-Fi details. All you have to do to get some knowledge regarding, for example, phone, is to tap on phone information. And here you've got it. Then it's the same with usage statistics and Wi-Fi info. Here you've got more options, so you can enter each of them and see what you need to check. You can also run a ping test here under Wi-Fi status. So that's it. That would be all for this code. Another one, also performed by Google, as this previous one was a Google code. So this one is asterisk pound 225 pound asterisk. And as you can see here, we've got calendar info. So if you have any upcoming events, they would be all displayed here, no matter in which calendar of yours they are loaded. You will be able to see everything over here. As you can see, Gmail, this device's internal storage. If you have, for example, Apple Calendar connected with this phone, it will be also displayed here. So let me go back. And actually, the last code that I want to share with you today, pretty short one, is asterisk pound 6 pound. And as you can see, this one will provide you with device information, so you can smoothly check email and second email along with serial number. Tap on OK to exit. And that's it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.